Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we're bringing you a flight test video featuring the CUAV C-Compass. Products used in this test: CUAV NORA Plus Flight Controller, CUAV C-Compass External Magnetometer, CRC7 Remote Controller, Standard 450 size drone frame. Pre-flight preparation. Before takeoff, we perform a safety check. With the propellers removed, we unlock the motors and individually verify that all 4 motors are spinning in the correct direction as configured in the flight controller, ensuring that the mixer logic is functioning properly. Once the check is complete, we install the propellers to ensure safe flight. The CUAV C-Compass used in this test is a high-performance, industrial-grade external magnetometer with strong anti-interference capabilities. It features an automotive-grade PNI RM3100 3-axis magnetic sensor, which significantly enhances the precision and reliability of magnetic heading data within the flight control system. Its low noise and high resistance to electromagnetic interference help it effectively filter out magnetic disturbances caused by internal components such as the battery, motors, ESCs, and wiring, thereby ensuring accurate attitude estimation. The module is also equipped with a high-performance STM32F4 processor running CUAV's self-developed M4C firmware platform. This provides faster data processing and more stable CAN bus communication, with full support for the drone CAN protocol. It is widely compatible with mainstream open-source flight control systems such as PX4 and ArduPilot. The high-precision magnetic data provided by the C-Compass can be directly used as input for the flight controller's EKF state estimation, greatly improving flight stability in complex magnetic environments. Flight modes tested. In this flight test, the GPS positioning system was not used. Flight control relied solely on magnetic heading information provided by the C-Compass. As a result, modes such as loiter and position mode could not be activated. Instead, we tested the following 2 modes: altitude hold mode, stabilize mode. Even without GPS, the drone demonstrated excellent stability and control precision. The flight controller responded quickly, maintained stable attitude, and showed no noticeable yaw drift. Overall, the flight experience was very satisfactory. That concludes the CUAV C-Compass flight test video. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video or would like us to explore certain topics in more detail in future content, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more reviews of drone equipment, flight control system tutorials, and industry application guides. See you in the next video.